Hey, girlfriend.
I got a bone. I got a bone.
Hello. Donut. That's my foster sister. Ah! My foster sister, Kiara. I see you in the window, Gino. Ah! Say hi. Hi. It needs a blankie. Oh. In the hair. Hi.
Look at my shirt.
A shirt. Yes. My mom's room? Yeah. Stuff! Too much stuff. Oh, what is this? She's asleep. She's asleep. Butt in the air like I just don't care. Butt in the air like I just... Hello! What was that? No. No.
Thank you for watching.
No.
What is that? What are you doing? Do that again. Are you playing a video?
No.
No. Okay.
Yes.
What'd I do? What'd I do? What'd I do? What'd I do?
Making a guapo sound?
No. I have a goat named Guapo and he goes blah, 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 blah.
Pretty good. Faith can do a guapo.
Oh yeah, my friend Faith is like blah, 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 blah.
Exactly like guapo because like when she made the sound, I thought it was
Hello.
Is this yours?
I know, me too. Yes, thank you.
Hello. Yay!
I hit you with the ball.
Yay! Yay! Oh, fine, don't look at the camera. Dun, 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 dun. You're bald. I did not say that. We all have hair except for you.
And Gino.
What? No, you have hair. Victor's the only one that doesn't have hair in this family.
Oh.
Guapo has hair. My other 2 goats, Cinnamon and Sugar, have hair. My 3 dogs have hair. My 7 chickens have hair. No, they have feathers.
Don't forget.
Okay then.
What time? Yeah, I don't
Up, Gangnam Style. Hey. Okay. Smiley face. Creepy. Hi.
Ball.
Hi. Derp. Meepderp. Meep. What the heck did you just do? You just did weird things. Dun 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 dun. Let me go first. Is she working on the towel closet? We don't know. Yes, she is. She is, Mother. She's working. She's working her butt off. Oh.
I wonder if the goats look like pistachio shells.
Victor,
Then they would be like,
do that weird thing again.
hi, hi. Hey, ugly.
Yeah. Wait, how early are you doing that?
Ow, he kicked me in the butt. By kicking me in the butt, he broke his flip flop. He just said, I'm gonna eat your soul. Maybe I should run over here, go over here, hide behind the van. He just locked me out. Damn it. Do, 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 do. Stop locking me out. You suck, Gino. Oh, he didn't lock me out. He's in the kitchen. That's how my goat sounds. There you go. Oh. Person. She does it. Now I'm here.
Do that weird thing.
Do the weird thing. Yes, Superman pajamas. Ah.
Yeah, because he's super stupid.
Hey, turn around. Turn around.
Kiara. I'm going.
Hi, Mom. You're on the internet. How's it feel? Tell me. How's it feel to be on the internet, huh? Hello?
It feels great.
Nothing you would want? Really now? Do you really think that's true? Oh, you're sitting in your studio chair. How'd you feel? I'm going to intubate you. What would you say about this video?
Did you say you're going to intubate you?
Interview. What would you say about this video?
That,
What would you say to conclude this video?
It's crazy.
yeah.
It's crazy. Say it in your own words.
Come here.
That's a dog.
Hello.
I bought all.
Hello. That concludes this video. Hello. Bye. Or should I say, hey.